CHESSNUT sent me this box! Recently, I've been playing chess all around the world. I've been in Iceland, Formentera, Menorca, and Italy. And I'm back, and now it's time to open this box. This video is sponsored by CHESSNUT. CHESSNUT Pro is compatible with Chess and chess.com, so you can play online against friends, seamlessly connecting your physical board with the digital world. Let's open it together. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm not very good opening boxes. It's open. Now it's time to see. Whoa, look at it. It feels like very soft, very fancy. I like it. I like it. I like the design, honestly. What we have in the box? We have a chessboard, a USB cable, and black pieces and white pieces. CHESSNUT's electronic chess set. So this is my first chess electronic set. I always wanted one, so I don't know what to expect. I'm so excited to open it. What is inside? Oh, whoa! We will read this later. Oh, the pieces are wooden pieces. I always thought the importance of have a wooden chess set at your home because it's the original chess set, so it's also really beautiful. It looks very elegant, fancy, and also I really like it. I love it. This is light wood, and also it's very beautiful presented. Now it's time to look at the board. What is underneath the pieces? Okay, wow! It came with 4 of these in the corner, so the chessboard is really good protected. Even we have a layer protection here, and we are going to open it. It's really big. This is the tournament size. If you want to train for competitions or something, I think this is perfect. Now I'm going to set it up so you can see, guys, everything. The important here is to have black square in the left corner. This is really important, so we will set up. I think this is a very elegant chessboard. It's very beautiful. The knights look like, I don't know, like futuristic. I think the knights are one of the most important pieces in a chessboard. You see the knight and you see if this is a beautiful chessboard or not. And knight here, I feel is very nice. I really like the knights. The pawns, it feels very smooth when you move it. I think it's important that too. Okay, and one more test we will do here is with the queen. We have to see the balance, because if we are playing blitz, crazy blitz with our friends, we want to make sure we don't throw the pieces. So this is an important test. We will do it now. You see? Good balance. The other side. Oh! It's time to connect the chessboard with the mobile. So I already downloaded the app. Now it's time to turn the chessboard on. We just press this button and then we can see the lights there, and we wait until it is the green light. Now we have to connect the Bluetooth with the phone. I'm going to play with the computer to show you. You also can play with your friends online. You can play a 90 minutes game and live the OTB tournament experience in your home. After you set up everything, the level of the AI, I'm going to play the strongest one. Let's see if this chessboard can beat me. Okay, this is a 10 minutes game. So the AI is the white pieces, and now we can see the lights here. So that means we have to play this pawn to this square, and it disappears. This is the one thing I like the most of this chessboard. It looks like a normal chessboard, but has AI, and you cannot see the lights. You cannot see it's like a robot chessboard or whatever. This is like very natural. I love it. But now it's my turn. I'm going to play with the black pieces, and I'm going to play the Sicilian defense. So now you can see here how it appears on my phone, my move, and whites choose to play this pawn here. You can see the light again, and pawn to f3. Now my turn again. I don't know what is this line. I don't remember the name. But I'm going to play g6, and whites plays king e2. I'm not sure this is the strongest level. I don't know what this chessboard thinks. He feels it's Magnus Carlsen or what, because he's playing Bone Cloud against me. He thinks I'm a noob. No, but I'm going to play the bishop now. Oh my god. I'm very sure this is not Magnus Carlsen. Because after this move, the knight in the side, the king here, I'm not sure if I set up this very well. I put it at the highest level, but let's beat this guy. He's going back with the king, and now I'm going to play this. Yes, so he decided to take my pawn. Okay, right, I'm taking the pawn back. He's jumping with his knight, so I'm going to attack the knight. Oh my god, he's playing the pawn. Let's just take the knight. He's developing the other knight, attacking my queen. I think I just need to move my queen again. Bishop here, we just take the rook check. Only move is to cover the check. Okay, he's moving the queen. That's a smart move. Let's move the bishop. I have a feeling like, okay, this is a completely blunder. This is the Bote's gambit. I'm going to take that. He's moving the knight. It's my turn, defending my idea, so I'm going just to attack the knight. Let's attack the knight. He's attacking my bishop. Let's take the knight, and he's moving pawn here. Now it's my turn. Check. Only move. Checkmate. This looks very pretty. You can see all the lights here. Honestly, this is my favorite chessboard I ever had, so I'm very happy to have it. Thank you so much, CHESSNUT, for sending me this. You think this chessboard is really big? Yes, it is. And it's heavy? Yes, it is heavy. But it's a really nice display piece, can be at your home, at your place. I'm going to do some chess streams with it. I always wanted to do chess study streams, so I think it's very important to study in an actual chessboard. Actually, when I went to one of my tournaments I played this last month, my trainer was like, you have to prepare, you have to study in a physical chessboard, because when you are online, when you are studying online, it's not the same. You are used to see the D2 chessboard, but if you want to play a chess tournament, you have to get used to a DGT board. Otherwise, you have to look at the chessboard like this. I'm just joking, but it's true. It's true. I think you have to remember the lines and everything, like the tactics, because it's a little bit weird. But yes, you have to train in a physical chessboard. The most important thing is you can play online with other people. Thank you so much, CHESSNUT, for giving me this board, and thank you everyone for watching this video. Bye everyone!